kids. Today, we're going to meet 50 amazing animals. The lion is known as the king of the jungle with its impressive mane. The elephant is the largest land animal with a long trunk. The tiger is a powerful cat with striking orange fur and black stripes. The giraffe is the tallest land animal with a long neck and legs. The zebra is known for its black and white stripes, which help it blend into grasslands. The panda is a black and white bear that mainly eats bamboo. The kangaroo is a hopping marsupial from Australia. The koala is a tree-dwelling marsupial from Australia. The polar bear is a large, white bear that lives in the Arctic. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, known for its slender body. Rhinoceroses are large, thick-skinned animals. The leopard is a sleek, spotted cat that excels in climbing and stealth. The buffalo is a large, robust animal with curved horns. The hippopotamus is a massive, mostly water-dwelling animal. The wolf is a wild and communicates with howls. The fox is a small, agile animal with a bushy tail. The deer is a graceful herbivore with slender legs and antlers. The moose is a large deer with broad palmate antlers and long legs. The elk, also known as wapiti, is a large deer with impressive antlers. The bison is a massive, shaggy-haired animal. The camel is a desert animal with one or two humps on its back. The llama is a domesticated South American animal. The raccoon is a small, clever mammal with a distinctive mask-like face. The alpaca is a domesticated South American animal. The alligator is a large, powerful reptile with sharp teeth. The cat is a small, agile mammal known for its sharp claws. The dog is a loyal, intelligent animal with a strong sense of smell. The iguana is a large, slow-moving lizard with a spiky crest. The horse is a strong, graceful animal known for its speed. The sheep is a domesticated herbivore with a thick, woolly coat. The goat is a versatile animal with a playful and curious nature. The cow is a large domesticated animal known for its milk production. The chimpanzee is a highly intelligent primate with playful nature. The anteater is a unique mammal with a long snout. The gorilla is a large, gentle primate. The orangutan is a large, reddish-brown ape with long arms. The baboon is a large, social primate with a distinctive face. The lemur is a small, bushy-tailed primate with large eyes. The hyena is a robust, scavenging predator. The jackal is a slender, opportunistic predator with a keen sense of smell. The antelope is a graceful herbivore with slender legs and curved horns. The hedgehog is a small, spiny mammal with a round body. The donkey is a sturdy, hard-working animal. The capybara is the world's largest rodent, with a friendly nature. The beaver is a skilled, industrious rodent. The rabbit is a small, furry animal with long ears. The otter is a playful, aquatic mammal with a sleek body. The porcupine is a slow-moving mammal with a body covered in sharp quills for protection. The sloth is a slow-moving mammal hanging upside down in trees. The bear is a large, powerful mammal with thick fur. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like, share.